5 mm knotless suture anchors. They are of two types, one with the titanium tip and one with PIC material tip. There is one nitinol vial which is used to shuttle the sutures inside the tip of the suture anchor. Knotless suture anchors have become a game changer in a modern arthroscopic soft tissue repairs because it provides stronger, more reliable and reproducible outcomes as there is no need of knots. So there will be less irritation and less soft tissue damage. It is very useful in the tight compartment repairs where knot related irritation can be very high, and it also provides faster surgical